I'm in a cold still. You would rather whip you like